Let's read two different sentences. It is a pencil case. This is my pencil case. It is a pencil. This is my pencil. It is a notebook. This is my notebook. It is a book. This is my book. It is a pen. This is my pen. It is a backpack. This is my backpack. It is a glue stick. This is my glue stick. It is a ruler. This is my ruler. It is a desk. This is my desk. It is a binder. This is my binder. It is an eraser. This is my eraser. It is a rubber. This is my rubber. It is a board. My school has a board. It is a smart board. My school has a smart board. It is a dry erase marker. It is a dry erase marker. It is a water bottle. I have a water bottle. It is a color pencil. I have a color pencil. It is a crayon. This is my crayon. It is a ruler. This is my ruler. It is a paper. This is my paper. Thank you, everyone. Good job.